In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an interactive image in Squarespace. So the first thing that you'll need to do is click on your website and find the image that you want to edit. So just scroll down to your website, and once you found your image, so for example, this is the image that I want to edit. So just click on edit and click on the image that you want to make interactive, and click on edit link, and here you can be linking whatever you want. So for example, we'll link this to a video. So example, let's just link it to youtube.com, and just click on save. And once you've clicked on that image, it will redirect you to YouTube or whatever link that you attached it to. And that's about it. That's how to make an interactive image in Squarespace. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll do my best to help you out.